Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into a challenge that many architects face, designing a spacious home on a compact 40x40 foot plot. Whether you're a budding architect or a seasoned pro, finding creative ways to maximize space in small dimensions is crucial. So let's jump right in. First things first, considering the layout is key. For a 40x40 space, an open floor plan works wonders. By minimizing internal walls, you not only create a feeling of openness, but also allow for more natural light to permeate the area. Imagine a combined space for the kitchen, dining, and living room, flowing seamlessly into one another. This not only makes the home feel larger, but also enhances social interactions within the space. Now, on to maximizing vertical space. High ceilings can transform the feel of a room, making it appear larger than its actual square footage. Consider options like vaulted or cathedral ceilings in the living areas. For storage, think vertically. Built-in shelves and cabinets that reach up high can store a lot without taking up much floor space. Transitioning to the bedrooms, each room can be designed to serve multiple purposes. A Murphy bed, for example, can be tucked away when not in use, doubling the room as a home office or workout space during the day. And let's not forget about integrating smart furniture solutions like foldable desks or collapsible dining tables. Lighting is another vital aspect. Strategic placement of large windows and skylights can make a world of difference in small spaces. They not only bring in ample light, but also help connect the indoors to the outdoors, making the space feel larger and more inviting. Lastly, let's talk about aesthetics. Using a monochromatic color scheme with different textures adds depth without the visual clutter. Light colors usually make spaces feel bigger, so consider using whites, light grays, or pastels. And if you're looking to add a touch of green, vertical gardens are perfect for small plots. They add a lush element to your home while taking up minimal space. There you have it. Designing a 40x40 home is all about smart planning, maximizing vertical and light spaces, and choosing the right aesthetics to create a spacious and functional home environment. Remember, it's not just about fitting everything in, but creating a space that feels open and welcoming. Thanks for tuning in. And don't forget to brainstorm, sketch, and innovate. Until next time, keep designing and dreaming big.